na sio lazima utrade na signal eti ndio make pesa, okay? So huwa na emphasize on this so you guys need to learn how to trade by yourselves, okay? So sio kila time Kim atakuwa na kutumia signal, atakuwa na kuanalyzia market. Kuna ile time maybe itafika niache kutuma, okay? Yeah, due to maybe kushikana or something, okay? But now ukijua kujianalyzia market you can kuna benefits mingi because you can train someone who is close to you, maybe a relative or maybe your kid or something, okay? So unaweza mfunza how to trade so long as you are having the right knowledge, okay? So jifunzange hizi simple strategies hizo ndio strategies tunatumianga ku make pesa, okay? So don't assume, okay? So nataka nionyeshe strategy moja ya under 7 yenye utatumia ku trade hapa kwa Green Product site, okay? So kama kama across hii video, ensure that umeenda kwa Green Product site right here. You use this strategy because I'm sure it will be a game changer to most of you. It's a simple market. Yeah, payout yake kwangi mingi but ukijua kuanalyze inakuanga very very accurate, okay? So nataka tutumie ile concept ya jana. Yeah, the concept that you have to use the digits. Okay, if you're trading under 7, you're only focusing on 6 and below. So hizo ndio digits unataka zitokee. So we say that the least appearing and the most appearing lazima zikuwe on the underside of our prediction. So lazima ikuwe kwa 6 and below. Unaona kutoka hapa kwenda na chini. So avoid achana na hizi zingine, okay? Then in the case whereby okay, the most appearing and the second most appearing should be under our prediction. That is in this case that condition is met because iko kwa 4 na iko kwa 6. Yeah, I think I'm right. Then ukiangalia least appearing may switch to 9. So it means that we are going to use this one as our endpoint because the second least appearing is below our prediction. Right now iko kwa digit 3 na 6. Unaona? So we can use 9 as our endpoint. In the case whereby the 7 or 8 are going to increase, we are going to use any as the endpoint. I hope to come out. But now you have to make a single confirmation right here on the analysis tool yenye iko kwa Green Product site. So unakuja hapa, market hapa ni ya 10-1s. Unaona? Then hapa hivi nataka we change the volatility to 10-1s, number of ticks to 600. Then okay, hii market inafaa ikuwe kwa over under, sorry. So hapo hivyo unaweka 10-1s, 10-1s, 600 ticks. Okay? Hivyo. So hapa hivi inakupea statistics for the last 6000 ticks. Hapa inakupea statistics for the last 1000 ticks. I hope to kuona. So hii ni market ya over, hii ni market ya under. So we are focusing on the under 7 market, this one right here. Na ukiangalia saa hii iko 75.67. We say that kama iko above 60%, it's always the best. Okay? So I think the market is very accurate. Okay? So let's put our endpoints on the other end. So we say that we can end with digit 9 or maybe right now it's switching to digit 8. So we can use either 8 or 7 because 7 is on a high percentage between the 3. Okay? Yeah, then we can use either 8 or 9. Yeah, nataka stabilize. So hapa lazima ukue very keen because zime switch on the overside zote. So unaweza tumia either 7, 8 or 9. Okay? And that's how we come with the endpoints. Or maybe we come up with the endpoints. So unakuja hapa kwa bots, you load the version 3. Okay? Just like that. So market una switch to 10-1s hapo hivyo, you make your settings very fast. Market ni under 7. Okay? So I'm going to target a total profit of 100 USD. Just like that. 100. Then my staking will be like this. 85. And okay, nataka nipige only 2 entries then I'll be out. Okay? But very accurate ones. So naweza weka 95, then ya pili niweke something like let's say 120 USD. I think itakuwa sawa. Okay? Martingale can use something like a 1 for the best risk management because niko na big account at least 4000 USD which is very nice. Okay? So hapa hivi tunaweka prediction 7 hivyo. Okay? Then we are going to back to the analysis tool where we're going to time the market. We change the market to over under. I hope you guys are following these simple steps. Okay? Kama umekama across hii video, make sure that you may try hii strategy kwa Green Product site and thank me later. Okay? Yeah, ukiwa na hii nayo hizi kosa kumake pesa. Okay? So it's all about confirming right here and confirming right here. the main endpoint right now before we get into market, 7 and 9. Very nice. Okay, so let's get into this. Yeah, so tunakuja hapa kwa this is the digit that you are timing with. This one right here. So tunaweza ingia na 9 ama 7. Okay, so let me make okay, I want to remove something here so that isinisumbue ku just like that. I want to delete that. Okay, then nakuja hapa naika over under 10 1s. Very accurate. I want you guys to see how I'm going to execute this trade. Okay, so 8 or 7. Okay, so ikitokea hapa hivi the last one 7 hivyo nikaingia. Very nice. Okay, so let's wait and see. The first one is a win. The second one is a win. We're only aiming a profit of 100 DST, and that's it. Very nice. Okay, so guys, ensure that you use this strategy on GreenPro.site. Make a confirmation here, then you come here on this analysis tool, make your last confirmation, spot your endpoint right here. As you can see, mimi nimeingia na 7, ilikuwa na gain power, then ningeingia pia na 9. Unaona, because 9 ndio list appearing na the second list appearing go on the on the other side. Yeah, I hope you guys tuko pamoja. Meanwhile, I'm wishing you all the best. Let me pick my mom's call. She's calling, but nime make some $100, so kama maybe anaweza taka kutumiwa kwa kitu, I'm going to do that. Okay, so allow me to close it at that point. Wale wanataka to learn my strategies, actually give the best, so ensure that you're not left out. You can always aim to contact me on WhatsApp to join my classes. So I actually train for the basics up to market execution. So see you all at the top.